everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to SWA Education. Myself Radha. And today we are going to discuss about lipid classification and lipid structure. And in our previous few lecture, we already discussed about carbohydrate and protein structure as well as function. So let's start with our today's lecture. So what is lipid? Lipid are organic compound. Means they are organic in nature and they contain hydrogen, oxygen and carbon atom which form the framework for the structure and function of living cell. So when we discuss about carbohydrate, so we already discussed that carbohydrate contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In case of protein, we discussed that chain of amino acid combined together by peptide bond form protein structure, and protein mainly consists of carbon, hydrogen as well as nitrogen and methyl group. And in case of lipid contain hydrogen, carbon and oxygen atom. So what are lipid? These organic compounds are non-polar molecule. Non-polar means they are hydrophobic in nature. They are not water loving, they are lipid loving. So non-polar means hydrophobic in nature, or hydro means water, phobic means phobia or we can say hater, which are soluble only in non-polar solvent. Because they are non-polar, so that's why they are soluble only in non-polar solvent. Because water is polar, that's why they are insoluble in water. In human body, these molecules can be synthesized in liver, found in oil, butter, whole milk, cheese, fried food and also in some red meat. So what we discussed, lipid are non-polar molecule, means they are hydrophobic, that's why they are soluble only in non-polar solvent, not in polar solvent. So this is lipid bilayer. As we say that plasma membrane is made up of lipid bilayer. So lipid bilayer means, bi means two layer, and mainly this lipid is phospholipid, means consist of phosphate group, that's why phospholipid. This is phosphate head group, this is polar in nature, and this is hydrocarbon tail, that is non-polar in nature. Clear? Properties of lipid. Lipid are a family of organic compound composed of fat and oil. These molecules yield high energy and are responsible for different functions within the human body. So there are few important characteristics of lipid. First one is lipid are oily or greasy non-polar molecule. So they are non-polar in nature, means they are hydrophobic in nature, and store in the adipose tissue of body. So it is very important that lipid store in adipose tissue of the body. Lipid are heterogeneous group of compound, means made up of different group of compound, mainly composed of hydrocarbon chain. Lipid are energy rich molecule which provide energy for different life process. As carbohydrate are also energy rich molecule, in the same way lipid are also energy rich organic molecule. Lipid are a class of compound characterized by their solubility in non-polar solvent, as we discussed that they are soluble in non-polar solvent and insoluble in polar solvent like water. Lipid are significant in biological system. Biological system means in life process, as they form a mechanical barrier dividing a cell from external environment known as cell membrane. Because as we say that cell membrane is made up of lipid bilayer, and this cell membrane or plasma membrane act as a barrier from surrounding environment. So lipids are significant in biological system as they form a mechanical barrier and divide a cell from the external environment. Lipid structure. Lipids are the polymer of fatty acid that contain long non-polar hydrocarbon chain with a small polar region containing oxygen. So lipid structure, this is saturated, consists of single bond only, and unsaturated consists of double bond. So it consists of small polar region containing oxygen. So this is that region, and otherwise consist of non-polar hydrocarbon chain. Classification of lipid. Lipid can be classified into two main classes. One is non-saponifiable lipid. Non-saponifiable lipid means they cannot hydrolyze into simpler form. For example, cholesterol, prostaglandin. These are that kind of lipid that they are not classified, or we can say hydrolyze or break down into simpler molecule. Another one is saponifiable. Saponifiable lipid comprise one or more ester bond, enable it to undergo hydrolysis, or we can say breakdown, but they break in presence of base or acid or enzyme. Further, this category can be divided into non-polar and polar lipid. Non-polar lipid like triglyceride utilize as fuel and store energy, and polar lipid form a barrier with external water environment. Polar means hydrophilic, so they provide a barrier with water environment. And polar lipid comprise of sphingolipid and glycerophospholipid, because phospholipid is of two type. Phospholipid is of two type. When there is a presence of glycerol backbone, they are called glycerophospholipid, and when there is a backbone of sphingosine, they are called sphingolipid. Type of lipid. Within these two major class of lipid, there are numerous specific type of lipid which are important to life, including fatty acid, triglyceride, glycerophospholipid, sphingolipid, and steroid. These are broadly classified as simple lipid and complex lipid. So lipid are of two types, simple and complex form. Simpler lipid. Ester of fatty acid with various alcohol or OH group. Fat and waxes including simple lipid. Fat, ester of fatty acid with glycerol moiety, and waxes, ester of fatty acid with higher molecular weight monohydric alcohol, consist of mono means single. Second one is complex lipid. Complex lipid mainly phospholipid, glycolipid, and other complex lipid like cholesterol, lipoprotein. So as we discussed that phospholipid consists of polar head and non-polar tail, in which one is saturated, another one is unsaturated hydrocarbon tail. This is a phospholipid, consists of polar and non-polar structure. So these are lipid containing, in addition to fatty acid and alcohol phosphate group, they frequently have nitrogen containing base and other subsequent example in glycerophospholipid that consist of, as the name suggests, glycero means backbone of glycerol. And in case of sphingophospholipid, sphingo means backbone of sphingosine. Glycolipid. In case of glycolipid, what happens? Glucose or carbohydrate and lipid are joined together by covalent bond. So lipid containing a fatty acid sphingosine and carbohydrate. Other complex lipids such as sulfolipid and amino acid. Lipoprotein may also be placed in this category. Next one is the precursor and derived lipid. These include fatty acid, glycerol, steroid, alcohol, fatty aldehyde and ketone body. Hydrocarbon, lipid-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K and hormones. Because they are uncharged, acyl glycerol, cholesterol and cholesterol ester are termed neutral lipid. So these cholesterol and acyl glycerol, these are neutral lipid. These compounds are produced by the hydrolysis of simple and complex lipid. Next one is the example of lipid. So example are butter, ghee, vegetable oil, cheese, cholesterol. These are the example. So I hope this lecture is very clear to all of you. So thank you so much everyone. If you find this video beneficial for you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more such kind of videos. And if you have any query regarding this lecture, you can comment down below. Thank you so much.